MIRM is currently selling at the price of $19.28 at the time of this recording. MIRM is the stock of a company called MIRM Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. MIRM is a biopharmaceutical company which focuses on the development and commercialization of a late-stage pipeline of novel therapies for debilitating liver diseases. The company is committed to putting the needs of patients first. They're transforming lives devastated by the rare liver disease through the development and delivery of therapies that address the urgent, unmet need and fill a therapeutic void. Through continued clinical evaluation of their investigational therapies, the company is fulfilling its promise to the community of providing the necessary treatment against such diseases. Because many liver diseases are left untreated, this can then lead to liver failure, liver transplant, and a host of life-altering symptoms that can profoundly impact the quality of life for patients and their families. Some patients may need a liver transplant and are at high risk for many other serious health issues. According to the company, their motto is to feel proud serving the children, adults, and families with rare liver disease, and for working closely with this community to intimately understand the challenges they face day and day. The company also focuses on the therapy of the patients and claims that it undertakes deep understanding, shows empathy, and urgency toward the patients to develop remarkable therapies for these rare liver diseases that have limited or no approved treatment options. The company's ultimate goal is to transform the lives of these individuals so that they can have the opportunity to live life to the fullest. The company's lead product candidate is mariloxibot, an investigational oral drug that is in phase 3 clinical trial for the treatment of progressive familial intrahepatic cholestatic disease, as well as for the treatment of Alagille syndrome and biliary atresia disease. It also develops volixibat drug for the treatment of intrahepatic cholestasis of pregnancy and primary sclerosing cholangitis. The company was incorporated in 2018 and is headquartered in Foster City, California. Well, that's all the information on the company. Now let's focus on the company's statistics in the stock market. MIRM is currently selling at the price of $19.28. The fair value of the stock, according to Simply Wall Street, is $318, which makes the stock a great value based on the fact that it is currently selling at a price 20% less than the fair value. Now, let's take a look at the returns of the company. MIRM underperformed the US biotech industry, which returned 18.7% over the past year, and it underperformed the US market, which returned 29.7% over the past year. Speaking of the volatility of the stock, MIRM is not significantly more volatile than the rest of US stocks over the past 3 months, typically moving at plus or minus 6% a week, and its weekly volatility at 6% has been stable over the past year. Over the past year, the company has become unprofitable, which that calculating its PE and PB ratio right now is not possible. However, there is still some good news on terms of future growth of the company. With reference to Simply Wall Street, the company is likely to grow about 64.8%, and surprisingly, MIRM is forecasted to become profitable over the next 3 years, which is considered faster growth than the savings rate of 2%, which is also considered a faster growth compared to the US market average. FIRM's revenue, which is 59.2% per year, is forecasted to grow faster than the US market, that is 9.8% per year. According to the statistics, the company went downhill about 90% in the past years due to the whole COVID situation, but the future statistics are looking good. MIRM is also a good valuation because the company is not in debt and hasn't taken any debt in the past 5 years or so. Moving on, if we focus on the liabilities of the company, FIRM's short-term assets, which are $228.4 million, exceed its short-term liabilities that are $29 million, and its short-term assets also exceed its long-term liabilities, which turn out to be $122.9 million. The current market cap of the company is $586.819 million, and the company has outstanding shares of $30.33 million. Overall, we have no position in any of the companies mentioned. This video is general in nature. It does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any stock, and we do not take account of your objectives or your financial situation. We aim to bring you long-term focused analysis driven by fundamental data. Well, that's it for today, guys. We hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.